Dear students, in this unit we will talk about vertebrates. You are aware that vertebrates are one of the most successful animals on this planet Earth. There are approximately more than 45,000 living species. They are present in this major group of animals. Now, five main groups within the vertebrates they exist. That includes fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, as well as mammals. Now, when we talk about the vertebrates, in majority of the vertebrates, notochord has been replaced with vertebral column, which is not only a protective the nerve cord, but it has also taken over the biomechanical role which notochord in earlier vertebrate or in earlier chordates used to have. Another distinguished feature which vertebrate has is the presence of an endoskeleton in the form of bones and cartilages. Then vertebrates are advanced animals. They have a specialized endocrine system of glands which secrete different hormones which help them better adapt the environments. Now, when we talk about the muscular system in vertebrates, it is consisting of bilaterally paired masses and a central nervous system which is partly enclosed within the backbone. And the remaining part is also protected by the presence of a cranium or skull. Then when we talk about the circulatory system, they have a very advanced and closed circulatory system with the presence of a heart and designated veins in the form of capillaries and blood vessels, where the blood is stayed inside those blood vessels and heart pumps it. And those vessels, they are present in every part of the body so that the gases and nutrient exchange can take place with every cell of the body. Then they also have an adaptive immune system, which means that their immune system can adapt according to the challenges, according to the new challenges of the changing environments. When we talk about the different groups, a fish includes tuna, bass, salmon, trout. They are the examples of bony fishes, and these are called as osteichthyes. Then we have amphibia. They are mostly salamanders, toads, and frogs. They spend part of their lives underwater, and some part they spend on land. While reptiles is another major group of vertebrates that include turtles, snakes, lizards, alligators, and other large reptiles. Then we have aves that includes all birds. Their specialty is that they produce amnioid eggs, which are not present in reptiles, amphibia, or fish. Although the vertebral column is perhaps the most obvious feature of the vertebrates, it is absent in the earlier vertebrates or the early form of vertebrates where notochord is present. So in the higher vertebrates, that notochord is now absent, and the backbone has taken its place. The vertebrate also have a distinct head with a differentiated tubular brain and three pairs of sense organs that include nasals, optics, and otic.